video, we will take a look at our second workflow, our exploratory data analysis. In this workflow, we will aim to get a better understanding of our data before we move on to our modeling stages. One note is that our data has already been prepared. Please check out our previous video to see how the data was prepared. For our on-time in full analysis, we will be focused on two things. The first is the distribution of the jobs by the on-time in full status and the distribution of jobs by customers. In this case, we have two customers, Procter & Gamble and Unilever. After this, we will then combine each of these two to produce the customer-wise distribution of OTIF statuses, and additionally, we will calculate their percentages using the math expression node. Let's take a look at the execution of this workflow so that we can see it in action. The first output that we have is our prepared dataset. This is just a raw printout of our prepared dataset. Next, we have the distribution of jobs by customer. Here we can see our two customers, Unilever and Procter & Gamble, and we can see the job counts. They both have an equal number of job counts, 600 in this dataset. We can also graph these values to get a better understanding and to see it visually. Next, we have the distribution of jobs by OTIF status. Here we can see that we have 866, or a vast majority of our jobs were produced on time in full. This is represented by a value of 1 in our OTIF column. A value of 0, therefore, means that they were either late or missing. We also have a graph